Guys, welcome back to my channel. So happy Easter. Yes, it's lockdown, but we're still gonna celebrate anyways. And today we're celebrating with cornbread. So all you're gonna need for your cornbread is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1/4 cup of sugar, a cup of milk, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. I have half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now, for me, the baking soda is optional. I could decide to just use maybe 4 cups of baking powder instead of the baking soda. So, depends on what you want. So, and you need, of course, your bowl for mixing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sieve. Make sure you sieve. We're using cornmeal, so we have to sieve. So we're going to sieve all our dry ingredients first. So I'm doing this video all on my own, so I can't really do the video and so I'm just showing you what I'm trying to do. I'm using my sieve. I'm going to sieve all my flour in. Please don't ignore the dog in the background. Okay, so we're just going to sieve all of this. Okay, so the flour is all done. Now we're going to move to the cornmeal. Now you really need to sieve this cornmeal because cornmeal is corn, so it attracts a lot of weevils and all of that. So we're just going to do this. I'm going to be very careful. Now, can you see? This is the importance of sieving. Okay, so don't forget to sieve all your dry ingredients. So we're done with the corn. Always dispose of the dirt when you're done. So I'm going to be sieving in my baking powder, baking soda, my salt, and my sugar next. Okay, so we're just gonna do all of that together. Just fine consistency. Oh, sorry. So I'm done sieving the sugar. Now you can stand up to sieve your sugar if you feel it's clean, but it's your choice. Just make sure you don't get any dirt into your mixture. Okay, so we're gonna mix this up. Just gonna use my whisk. Until all incorporated. So it's all mixed in, and the next thing we're going to do is add all our wet ingredients. Going is our vegetable oil. Using regular vegetable oil, 1 egg, and then 1 cup of milk. Oh, that's lovely. Now we're just going to whisk in the egg first so that it incorporates properly. Okay, when that's all in, we mix in everything together. Okay, so our batter is ready. You don't want to mix it too much. Now we're going to spoon all our butter into a prepared pan. So I prepared a 10 inches round pan for this cake pan. So we're just going to pop this into the oven for about 20 minutes. I'm going to pop this in the oven for about 20 minutes and we're ready. So it's out of the oven and it looks like this. Now you can use an 8 inches pan for yours. Just make sure you put a toothpick through it to find out this is okay. So we have this. Oh. Yeah, right. Oh, still hot. See how bouncy it is. You can use an 8 inches if you want it to be higher than this. So let's have a taste. Nice. Yum. So cornbread is ready and it tastes absolutely delicious. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, okay? We're in this lockdown together. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Mwah!